Today I'm going to teach you how to add text over images in Carrd. This is a great way to create visually engaging sections on your site with captions or descriptions directly overlaid on your images. First, open your web browser and navigate to carrd.co. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your Carrd dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your site projects and begin creating new pages. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right panel of your screen and click on the button that says Plus New Site. From the options that appear, navigate to Blank Page and click Select. This will create a fresh canvas for you to work with. Now, in the upper right corner of your editor, you'll see a plus button. Click on it to open the element menu, and from there, select Gallery. This element allows you to add images to your page and customize how they appear, including adding text overlays. Next, shift your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Untitled. Click on this drop-down and then select Upload. This step lets you bring in an image from your device that you want to use in your gallery. A file browser window will open up. Browse through your files, locate the image you want to add, click on it, and then hit Open. The image will now appear in your Carrd editor, ready for further customization. You'll likely need to adjust the size of your image to fit your design. Go ahead and resize it as needed. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Accept in the upper right panel to confirm your changes. Now, scroll down in the left panel until you find the section labeled Caption. This is where you'll type the text you want to display over your image. Enter your preferred caption in the field provided. After entering your caption, look to the upper left panel and click on the Appearance button. From there, click on Captions. This will open up styling options specifically for how your text will appear on the image. Navigate to the Style section and you'll see a drop-down menu with placement options such as below, bottom, top, center, or full. Click on this drop-down and select your desired placement for the caption. This determines where your text will appear in relation to the image. If you want to customize the look further, you can change the text color by clicking on the color picker. This allows you to match your caption text to your site's overall color scheme or make it stand out more prominently against the image. Once you're happy with all your settings, click Done to finalize your changes. Your image now has text overlaid exactly where you want it, creating a polished and professional look for your Carrd site. And that's it. You've successfully added text over images in Carrd, giving your site more visual appeal and context. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.